Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Success Engineering Official. Today we are going to learn the engineering drawing. So as you can see, this is one of the engineering drawing and how to draw this in AutoCAD. So I will show you guys in very simple way. So you can see this is there are two circle and diameter of inner circle is given, and here diameter radius of outer circle is given, and the distance between center of this circle to center of this circle is given here 100 mm, and also the distance from center to edge of this circle is given here 45, and center of this circle to edge of this circle is given here 20 mm. So how to draw this in AutoCAD, I will show you guys. So let me open this AutoCAD here. So it will take a little bit time to open this AutoCAD file, and I'm using this AutoCAD 2021 version. You can draw in any version, it's up to you. Okay, so you can see I already draw it here, and there are two options. I will show you both options in one by one. So you can see I already drawn here, so I will show you how to draw it. Okay, so first of all, what you will do, let me change the different color. I am going to take the red color. Okay, so first of all, you can see here the radius of diameter of inner circle and radius of outer circle is given. So let us draw first one circle, okay, of diameter 30 mm. So for circle type C the shortcut command of circle, so type C, and you can provide the center. You can take the center of the radius and type D. D is you can see here D. You can click here on D, otherwise you have to type D. D is nothing but the diameter, and you can specify. You can see here in the command bar, it is asking to specify the diameter of the circle. So the diameter of the circle is 30. Specify the diameter and press enter. Okay, then you have to type radius. Okay, so radius, the second circle, for the second circle, this outer circle, the radius is given 20 mm. So you have to repeat the command. So type space bar. Okay, enter the space bar or enter the button. Press the enter button. Okay, so to repeat the command, and you have to drag the center point of this circle. Okay, now you have to provide the radius. So radius is given 20. Press enter. Okay, so you can see we have drawn this. Okay, now we can copy this at a distance of 45 mm. You can see here the 45 mm from the center of this circle. Okay, so type CO. CO is nothing but the copy command. Okay, CO, enter, select the object, enter. Then you have to track the center point and you have to shift this side. From the center it's given 45 mm. Okay, again copy this one from the center, type CO. From the center it's given 45 plus center of the circle is 20. So how much it is? 65. So I'm going to copy at distance of 65. Okay, so you can check it now. DLI, type DLI, center of the circle to center of the circle is 65. Okay, So you can see here 45 plus 20 is 65. Okay, so simply erase this. Now what you will do, you can see the center of this circle to center of this circle is given 100 mm. So and the center is vertically here edge of this edge of this circle. So you can see type XL vertical and you can check this. Okay, so you can see this line is matching exactly to edge of this radius. Okay, so what you will do now, you have to take Excel, type Excel construction line command, and now word V for vertical, enter the V, and you have to take one line here. Okay, and then again you have to type, erase this first. Again you have to take the construction line, type Excel and H, now H for horizontal. Okay, and click here the center of the circle. Okay, now what you will do, what I'm going to do, I'm going to offset this line. So O is the offset command. So type O and offset at a distance of 100 mm. Provide the distance, offset distance, and click here. Okay, so I got this point. Now I have to draw one by one each circle. So you can see the radius of inner circle is given 10 mm. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take the circle command, C enter, and center and specify the center point and radius of the circle is 10 mm. Okay, so I draw this, I drawn already this inner radius. Okay, and now the center radius, the center diameter of the center radius is given here 38 mm. So again you have to take a circle command, C enter, and now this time type D for diameter and specify the diameter distance 38 mm. Okay, and now the last is the outside diameter, outside the circle. So outside the diameter of the outside circle is given here 55 mm. So type C, C for circle command, and you have to type DET for diameter and 55. Okay, the diameter of the outer circle is 55 mm. Okay, so it's open now. Now you can select this point and erase it. Okay, now you can see this radius of this circle is given here, and this circle is tangent to both of the circle. Okay, you can see here is this is the tangent. Now I'm going to use one command here. You go to this drop down button. You can click this drop down button of this circle command, you can get it here, tan radius. Okay, so I'm going to use this one, tan radius, this command. So tan radius, so it's asking here the circle specify the point on opposite or first tangent of the circle. So this is the first tangent. Okay, and now the second tangent, click here and you can provide the radius. So radius is 20 and enter. Okay, so you can see this circle is, we have drawn this circle. Now what will do, you have to drain this extra line. So we have double enter, drain this one. Okay, so it's very simple. Now I'm going to draw this circle. You can see this circle is again here tangent to this circle, and here is also tangent. So what I'm going to do, how to draw this, I'm going to again use this command tan radius. Okay, now I'm going to specify the first point here, and here is the second point. Okay, and the radius is here 98. Okay, so 98. So now I'm going to trim the extra line. Here double enter to trim this line. Okay, so see how I easily draw this, and this line is also tangent to this circle, and here also it is tangent. So how to draw this line? Type tan. First you have to take the inline command. Okay, then type tan. Okay, so specify the first tangent, and again you have to type tan, and you have to specify here. Okay, so we have drawn already. Now you have to provide this center line of this circle. So what we'll do, how to specify, simple take the line command and drag the center of this line, center of this circle, and you have to draw like this. Again repeat the command, so press enter button or space button and drag the center of this radius. Okay, and you have to draw like this. Again repeat the command, simply press enter button, you have to drag this and draw like this. Okay, and here also you can use the line command to draw this. Okay, and again you have to drag the center of the circle and draw this. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the line type for the center line, center radius of this line. So what I'm going to do, I am going to upload one line here, go to property, and by you can see here already loaded here line type center. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this line, all this center line, and I'm going to properties here, properties panel, and line type. I'm taking this center, okay, and I'm going to change the color of this center, taking blue. Okay, so this is over. Now we have to do the dimension. So how to do the dimension? I'm going to change the color first. I'm going to take now green color, and you have to type DLI for dimension, linear dimension. So I'm going to take this line and this line. Just show like this. Okay, and here you can check here. Go to this dimension command here, annotation panel, and click here in dimension drop down button, and you can see here is the given is the radius. Okay, select this and you have to select this and you can show the radius lengths. Okay, I'm going to show you. Also radius of this circle is here. We need to repeat the command, so show like this, and diameter of this circle is given. So for this you have to select here the diameter, select the circle and draw like this. Okay, and here you can show the center of this two edge of this circle. So type DLI, dimension linear, select this point and you have to select this point, draw like this. Okay, you have to select this one and select this one. And you select now diameter command. So diameter of outer circle you have to show here. Repeat the command and select like this. And now you have to change, you have to select the radius command and you have to show the radius of the circle. And now use the match property, type MA, select this one and you have to match this. So this is how we have to draw this mechanical engineering drawing. So thank you for watching my video. If you have any doubt or any confusion, please ask me in the comment box, and please like, share and comment my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.